17 real women share their pre-sex beauty routines. A considerable measure of the time, sex simply happens. You and your accomplice share a cherishing look and the rest is history. In any case, when you have quite recently welcomed your Tinder coordinate over or you're arranging a sentimental bi-cation, you have the advantage of knowing early that you may encounter some room activity. Here, 17 ladies uncover to health what they do to get their psyches, bodies, and vaginas prepared for sex. My beau and I are completely fixated on Laura Mercier's Creme Brulee Soufflé Body Creme. I cover my body in it before sex to influence my skin to feel gentler and possess a scent reminiscent of caramel. The one time I neglected to put it on, he even got some information about it. Absolutely justified regardless of the $60. Before sex, I evacuate all my cosmetics. 1. Since I would prefer not to get any establishment or lipstick on the sheets and cushions, or lose a lash, and 2. My significant other likes to kiss everywhere all over and it harms my heart to demolish a decent shape. I utilize Bond's Evening Soothe Makeover Remover Wipes. They influence my face to notice great, unwind me and get everything off in one wipe. In the event that I know I'm getting some activity, I down a couple some pineapple squeeze 2 or 3 hours previously. I heard it improves your vagina taste. What's more, I haven't gotten any dissensions up until now. I shave my legs, arms, and my vagina totally bare and put tea tree oil wherever to counteract razor knocks. My better half cherishes to go down on me, and I'm quite reluctant about my scent. I clean up with a little measure of Johnson's baby shampoo before we mess around. It's sufficiently gentle to not cause any contamination but rather does the trap. I get a kick out of the chance to have intercourse with a full face of cosmetics and brilliant red lips. Influences me to feel sexier and more certain about bed. I'm adoring Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Stun Lip Paint. Continuously a shower, and on the off chance that I don't have a craving for doing the entire body moisturizer and aroma bit, I'll generally decide on this oil by Rid Oil, which isn't just super hydrating, yet should work with your pheromones to make your ideal hot fragrance. It likewise leaves my skin looking glowy and feeling delicate. Try not to judge me. However, I get a kick out of the chance to contemplate for a couple of minutes before a lovemaking session to enable me to clear my brain of the day's burdens and get in a state of harmony with my body. Mascara to influence me to look more wakeful, since there has a tendency to be a great deal of eye-to-eye connection amid sex. Rich exfoliator, lavender body oil, trailed by Aveeno quieting lavender cream to be smooth, saturated and noticing great. Wash up, obviously. I generally shower Victoria's Secret Tease Aroma Fog and Victoria's Secret Bombshell Nights everywhere on my body and neck. He's going to taste this fragrance. I am inclined to UTIs, so I generally attempt to pee when sex. Peeing before sexual movement gets any waiting microscopic organisms out of the bladder and encourages me feel more casual and free amid sex. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe to see our next video.